For this screencast, I want to show you how to use the snipping tool to get a picture of your map and add it to your PowerPoint, and then make that picture a link that actually links to your route on Google Maps. So to do this, I'm going to go to the Start menu again, and I'm going to start typing in snip until the snipping tool shows up. I'm going to click on that, and it gives me this little box right here with some options, and I want to click on New. And what that's going to do is I'm going to do a rectangular snip. It gives me this little plus signal, and anything I drag around is going to become a picture that I can use. So I want to make sure I get my whole map in. I'm going to start in the upper left-hand corner and drag around it. And now I have a picture of my map. So I should be able to go to File, Edit, and Copy. And then I have my PowerPoint open. I'm going to go to one of my slides. I'll change its layout to blank, and I'm going to go to right-click and paste. It gives me some options. I can see what they look like when I scroll over them. I just want general paste, and now I have a picture of my map. To make it a link now, I want to make sure it's selected, and I'm going to go to Animations. Sorry, that's not what I meant. I'm going to go to the Insert tab and go to Action, and I want to hyperlink to, and I'm going to click this down arrow and scroll down until I get to URL. That means a web address. And then I need to go back to my map on Google Maps and take that, click on the web address so it selects everything, which is a super long address, but we don't have to make that whole thing. It's not going to show because our map's going to be the link itself. So I'm going to do Control C to copy it. I'm going to go back to PowerPoint and click Control V to put it into the URL space and click OK. And then click OK again. And to test it out, you have to be viewing your slideshow. So there's a button down here, Slideshow. I'm going to click on it and see if my link works. So I should be able to click on my picture, and it opens it up, and people can look more closely at my route if they're interested and see the directions and see it on Google Maps. So that is how you make a link and how you use the snipping tool.